hope it's the last time we're gonna be here tonight. The last night.
Welcome. It is May 9th, 2024. We are currently in the process of moving now from the in-laws dash parents' house. You see, we're almost there.
Just a closet.
We're moving out from the bedroom into the closet.
Woo!
Follow us for this adventure. No, I'm playing. Shout out to my kids. Not here yet, except for my boy.
Baby boots.
The process. We gotta look at the time. It's about to be 11 p.m. We gotta wake up at 4 a.m. and load up everything in the U-Haul and go an hour away to our new humble above. Thank God, after all the struggles, we finally got our own home, right?
Finally.
We finally got our own place to call our home for our happy little family. As the baby boy cries in the background.
We'll get back to you guys soon.
Check back in an hour.
We were finally done packing here, as you can see. I'm showing you all the mess we had downstairs, but it did make it so much easier to load up the U-Haul, so that was nice. And we probably took like a 2-hour nap, but we're just too excited that we couldn't sleep. We're done with the U-Haul. We're trying to just figure out like the little stuff we have in our cars that are like breakable and stuff like that. My mom is also gonna join us, so that will be so much help right there. How you doing, baby?
Muy bien jodido.
My back.
My back. Nah, pues aquí andamos, raza. Nah, pues fucking dropping off the U-Haul.
Putting gas
It
in
is 11/11, make a wish. 11/11 on the special day of my beautiful wife's birthday. Turns 22 years old. Yeah, thank God we finished. Now we're gonna do some very quick and last minute shopping for the house.
Yay.
And return back to our son. Let's do the best you can. Drive safe. I'll see you over there.
Alright, drive safe, please.
You're on the thing.
Thank you. Got me a Celsius. How did he read my mind, girl? I didn't know I needed it, but he read my mind somehow. Because I didn't even think about it. Damn, baby. Looking more attractive.
Yeah.
Looking more attractive by the hour.
Shit.
Park that shit nice. Sheesh. First purchase for our new home. So small. Saying bye to the 99-cent store. Got the shower curtains. We got a little shirt. What souvenir. Oh. What color should I get? sauce by. Cooked by. Sheesh. Feliz Día de las Madres. Woo! Échale, 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 échale. Going home. Baby's tired and asleep. Never mind.
Our first night going home.
Baby's tired.
Our first night sleeping in our apartment.
And then we have bags for days. We have jamon. This is my brother gifted me this cute pillow. And all this other things for the kitchen, girl. Can't believe how happy this made me. And look how freaking aesthetic they are, dude. The gold, the white. So beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed. What are you doing, Abby? Give me that, boy. Where you running? Where you going? Where you going?
Le pedí y esa licuo su perra madre.
Where's that from? Call on camera, call on camera. Okay. Sheesh.
Delicioso.
Good morning. Serious. Thank you. This was May 12th. We were on our way to celebrate Mother's Day at my in-laws. And unfortunately, I did not record anything, so the next clip is us back home. Watching South Park. Baby Boo to sleep. Oh my goodness, so tired. Night number 3. So grateful. Cooking it up in the kitchen. Finally set up my freaking Brewville. I'm so excited to use it.
This delicious ass food.
Thankfully, I cooked before the lights went out because right now there's no lights out.
Right now we're
there's
going
lights
through a
out.
thunderstorm.
Say cheese to the camera. Cheese.
Ready, set, chicken nugget. 2, 3. Getting pizzas. On our way to get some Starbucks coffee.
Hi. So today we're gonna demonstrate. I'm the owner. Here's our hub. Oh, you gotta buy it. It's only $20 a month.
And so cheap. You got the Starbucks machine.
Right here, if you want to record this, $20.
Damn. 1, 2, 3.